Hi, I'm Dr. Ankita, and this is my son Rian. So, my and Rian journey starts around 3.5 years back from when he was in PDK. I joined him. I came for this art competition, and then I asked Mrs. Kavita ma'am whether this kid is eligible for PDK at 2.5 years of age. So, ma'am said it's not his age and all and all. Later on, after a year, we'll join. But then 3 years, we made Rian join PDK, and now Rian is in level 2. So, I have a long journey, long thing to stay about them for 3.5 years. A lot of changes are there in my kid. He was very notorious, but his concentration level has increased. He's paying attention to small details, which I also don't know whether he's listening or not. But the training is being given by the teachers. When he was in PDK, it was given by Priya ma'am. Now he is in level 2. So this training given by Winwix Academy is commendable. They are taking care of the kids very properly, teaching them small details, and their brainstorming exercises. They teach small things with different activities, which retains in the kids' mind very properly. Now when I see my son solving so many sums which I used to see by calculator and tell, he's doing with this kit and all, so it's a good thing. Moreover, not just the training for the abacus, they take a lot of interest in the progress of the kids. By chance a kid is not well, they give the extra classes for them, or they miss the class, they have compensation classes for these kids, so the kid doesn't lag behind in their course. Secondly, they have summer classes. I think they have started the summer classes, which is really good, because these kids not only just learning maths, they are learning different skills of drawing, mingling with the kids. Another thing with this Rian is like he's very notorious. Whenever he'll be running here and there, jumping and all, but now after listening from Kavita ma'am and all these teachers, he's become a little bit studious, sitting properly, paying attention. Very good. Studying properly, paying attention also. So I am 100% satisfied. My gratitude or my words will be very less to say how much thankful I am to whole of the Winwix Academy team. So I just wish them a lot of success, so they achieve big, great heights after this. Thank you so much to Winwix Academy team. Thanks a lot.